Hi guys, in this video, let's do a geometry problem. So the problem is, we have to find the side length of this shape. So for this shape, the height is 20. So from here to here, it's 20. And the width is 10. So from here to here, it's 10. So now if you look here, this side and this side are equal. And this side and this side are equal. And this side and this side are equal. And this is a right angle and this is a right angle. Okay, so if you look here, the width is 10. So from here to here, it's 10 degrees. And both of these are equal. So we have to do 10 divided by 2 to find the length, to find this length. So if it's 10 divided by 2, which is 5. So 5. If this is 5, that means this side is also 5. Okay. So now if you look here, this is a right angle, right? And this whole triangle is an isosceles triangle. So an isosceles triangle splits equally because two sides are equal. We split it equally. So this is 90 degrees, right? So I split it. If we split it, it would be, so this side would be 45 degrees. So now let's take this triangle. But let's put it the other way. So now this side is 5. And now this angle is 45 degrees. And this is a right angle, so it's 90 degrees. So for a triangle, if we add all angles, it's 180. So we have to do 90 plus 45, which is 135. We have to do 180 minus 135, which is 45. So it's 45 degrees. So if both of these angles are the same, that means if this side is 5, that means this side is also 5. So this side is 5. So now here, the height is from here to here, it's 20. So from here to here, if it's 5, we have to do 20 minus 5, which is 15. So from here to here, it's 15. So let's draw this triangle over here. Let's just flip it. Okay, so now we know this side is 5, and this side is 5. So this is a right angle. So let's name this side C. So both these are equal, so C and C. And let's name this A. And this side, that means this side is also A. Okay, so now the Pythagorean theorem for this is if we do phi squared plus phi squared, it would equal C squared. We can do this as phi squared times 1 plus phi squared times 1, which equals C squared. So now we can make, phi squared is common, so we can take it out. So that would be phi squared times 1 plus 1, which would equal C squared. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So phi squared times 2 equals C squared. So now let's square root this. So if we square root phi squared times square root 2 equals C squared square root. So if we square root phi squared, it would be 5. So let's write here. So it would be 5 times, well, 2 squared, we don't know that, so let's just leave a 2 squared, which equals C. Because if we square root C squared, it would be C. So we have the answer for this side. Okay, so now let's take this triangle. So it's a right angle triangle, and this side is 15, and this side is 5, and this side is A. So the Pythagorean theorem for this is 15 squared plus phi squared equals a squared. So we can write this as phi squared plus phi squared times 3 squared equals a squared. So now phi squared is common in this. So we can write this as phi squared times 3 squared plus 1, which would equal a squared. So 3 squared plus 1 is 10. Because we have 3 squared is 9 plus 1 is 10. So phi squared times 10 equals a squared. So let's square root this. So the square root of 5 squared times the square root of 10 equals the square root of a squared. So now if we square root 5 squared, it would be 5. So it would be 5 times, so we don't know the square root of 10, so it will be square root of 10 equals a. So now we know the answers. So this side is 5 times the square root of 2, and this is 5 times the square root of 2, and this side is 5 times the square root of 10, and this side is also 5 times the square root of 10. So that means these are the answers. Let's do math every day, and like this video.